What's up, guys? We got the 2026 ZX6R here, and we've been rocking the no muffler for a while because I hated how it looked and it sounded terrible. But I got this today, so we're gonna do an unboxing on that. So let's get to it. So I forgot to mention also, this says it's for the 09 to 24 model, but it will work on the 25 to 26. So I guess this is it. That's all it comes. So we're gonna get this opened up here. It's a lot lighter than the stock one. I think we're gonna have to take the back out too, depending on how it sounds. But we go a close up of it. I just went with the black. But also in the package you get mounting bracket. It goes, I believe, right here. Get some N4 stickers. And then you get instructions. And then all the bolts and nuts you should need. Put those there for now. So yeah. Basically it just comes with nuts and bolts, instruction manual, stickers, and the exhaust. So the tools you're gonna need are a 10mm ratchet, a 12mm wrench, and a 10mm wrench. So if you don't know how to take off the muffler, you can just watch a video. It's pretty simple. You just loosen this bolt, take off this bolt, and then pull the servo cables. Don't fully remove the servo, just pull the cables. That way you don't get a check engine light. And then what we're gonna do is remove this, and this bolt, and take this guard off. So we're gonna get that done real quick. All right, now that that's off, we're gonna pull this fairing back a little bit and use it also a number 5 Allen wrench. Take this one bolt off. And put that to the side for now, just don't lose it. And then once you can pull that back a little bit, you'll need to take off this right here, this bolt right here, to take this clamp off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So we got that clamp loose now. Now we're gonna take these two off. And those also come off with a 6mm Allen key. Or you can do it with this setup right here. That works too. Alright, so we got that pulled off. I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty hard to break loose, but once we get it off, we should be able to just pull this around and get it off. So let's see if we can do that. So yeah, there we go. So that's off now. I thought the tire was gonna be in the way, but if you just shake it around, it'll come off. So there we go, there's that. Now, the next thing we need to do is replace these two, which are also a 6mm Allen. We replace these two nuts with the ones provided right here because they're longer. So we can put this on there, however it goes, like that, and we'll have the hanger. So I'll get that done real quick. All right, so once you get these two bolts out, they replace it with the two longer ones that came in the package. Screwing them in here now. Those are 5mm. I'm just gonna hand tighten them for now. There we go. And then you can see back here, they're sticking out further so that we can mount this on there with the two nuts that they provided. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So yeah, we got those. We got the bracket on there now. The two bolts are there, and then on the back we got the nut there. So we're gonna take a 13mm wrench and tighten them up. So we're gonna get that done real quick. All right, now that we got that bracket on there and all tightened up, the last step is just put the exhaust on there, get it in place, and then we'll put that bolt in right there, and we'll tighten that clamp down there. So I'll get that done real quick. So yeah, we got the exhaust installed, we got the fairings bolted back up. Make sure you get this nice and tight on there, especially this clamp right here, so you don't have any exhaust leaks. And then we'll go ahead and see how she sounds. It looks great. Looks a lot better than the big stock one. I'll get on this side because I got the mic over here. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's pretty loud. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit and then I'll get a few revs for you guys. All right, so we let it warm up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and see how it sounds while we rev it. So yeah, it sounds pretty good. It burbles a little bit, but that's with the baffle still in. So I think we're gonna ride around with it like that for a little bit, and then we might take it out and see how it sounds. Yeah, thanks for watching.